Hello guys, it's me Mike again from Waway Tech PH, and today we are going to talk about BSOD or blue screen of death. So as you can see, we call this BSOD or blue screen of death basically because of uh, the image that would appear on your screen. Like for example, I've got the link here, LifeWire. So basically, this link here lists maybe some or maybe all of the blue screen of that has been encountered from our Windows operating system. But basically, this is what you would see um, for Windows 10. So there are other like uh, appearances of BSOD, like for example on Windows 7 or in Windows XP, but most of the time it would be just blue screen with like hex error codes. So how do we basically fix blue screen of that? Now, um, that would basically depend on whatever is the error message that you will be getting. So the first thing that you should need to do is basically get the error message, because you won't be able to just you know uh, basically fix it just by saying nah, it's a blue screen. All you need to do is reformat. So a lot of people would basically just tell you to reformat your computer, even though it's basically fixable of some sort. So um, it would depend on the error message that you'll get. So I have here uh, the list of blue screen error. So most of the time, what you need to get is this stop error code. Okay, so the stop error code is one of the things that you need to get. So in this site, you will be able to see a lot of stop error codes like 0x, a lot of bunch of zeros, and then number 8. So as I was saying, it would depend on the exact error message on how you would be able to fix the issue, because sometimes um, you don't just go like maybe do a check this, or maybe there's really a problem with your operating system. So the basics, get the error message first, or the stop error. So let me just check here um, some other or maybe images of the blue screen of that. So let's use this as an example. So this is like, maybe you would see this kind of blue screen of that on a Windows XP or Windows 7. Usually it's like this, but for Windows 8 and Windows 10 you would be seeing something like this one. So there. So how do we get the error message? What I would usually do is get this one. So driver gym not less or equal whatever. So this is basically the error message. So get the error message, and if you don't have that, basically you get technical information. Though, so this is the stop error message below. So you can see stop 0x, a bunch of zeros, and then 1, or sometimes it will display uh, other bunch of numbers, or they're sometimes letters. And then it would display maybe a file that would basically the ones that's getting affected by the error message. So first the exact error message on top, then technical information, the stop error message, uh, and then the affected file. So that's what you basically need to get when you get the error message, or when you get the blue screen of that. Now, once you got those information, what you need to do is the most basic thing that you would need to do when you're trying to figure out something. Google it. So for example, let's just use something here. Hmm, I'll just try to find something that's usually appears. Um, hmm. So let's try page fault. Usually there's a in. Okay, here we go. So this is one of the most common error messages from Windows XP and Windows 7, page fault in non-paged area. So what you just what you just need is just like type in the error message and then try to Google it. Does it need to be exactly with, like, underscores? So just type in the error message here and try to Google it. So that depends on how clever you are. So basically, there are error messages from Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, and Windows XP. So if you want to include the operating system, that's basically a really good idea, because sometimes there are different fixes from each operating system, but most of the time it would be basically the same. So once you Google the error message, so try to find something that would, you know, tell you how you would be able to fix the error. So here, we have something, but basically this was marked already the best answer for the uh, thread starter here. So all you need to do is follow the instructions here, and if that doesn't work, try something else. So you can also check YouTube or other website that would basically tell you how to fix the error message. Okay, so get the error message, or if you don't have that, the stop error message, like this one. So if you would try to search for something like this, usually it would give us the same page fault in non-page area. So that's how you check what are the things that you can do in order to fix your blue screen of that issue. So I hope you guys learned something from me here. Please don't forget to like my Facebook page, that would be Waway Tech PH, and then also check out my videos on my YouTube channel. So here's the basically for now the link for my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, or offer any suggestions on what would I need to do for my next video. Thanks again.